Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today we're going to be talking about compost. So let's get into it. We're out here on this slightly rainy day. It's very humid. What I'm actually doing out here is taking some of this really good compost that I got from a local guy where I live. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the importance of composting. It's basically just fertilization of your plants. It's feeding your plants from the roots, and if we're not feeding our plants, it's possible to get chlorosis in the leaves, which is a yellowing of the leaves, or just other health problems with the plant. So we're going to avoid that by putting in this compost. This is a new food forest that we just did. The soil's not that great, so I'm basically just adding as much organic matter as I can to the soil, and I continuously do this throughout the growing season in order to have the healthiest plants. Everything gets off to a great start. And you know, honestly, the compost looks kind of nasty, but it's all broken down organic matter. It doesn't smell like anything, and it's really nutritious for the plant. So let me show you guys how I go about doing this. It's a really simple process. All I do is rake away the mulch from around the plant. And you don't necessarily have to rake away the mulch. You can do it however you want. You can put it right on top, but I prefer to rake out the mulch and just expose the soil, which, as you can see, is not all that great right now, but we're going to fix that by doing this. And I just take the shovel, get a nice shovelful there, and put that nice organic matter right around the plant. Put a little bit more. You don't want to overdo it, but you don't want to underdo it either. So then I just kind of spread it out like this. And then I spread that mulch right back on top of there. All right, and that's all there is to it. If you guys remember, I told you that it's raining, and I mean, it's a sprinkle right now, but it's supposed to rain these next few days. And why that's important, why I chose that time to do this, is because that rainwater is going to go through that compost, and it's going to pull all those nutrients and start getting them down into the deeper roots of the plant and start feeding your plant for you. The less water that you can use, you know, whether it's from your hose or from a rain barrel or whatever, if you can plan around, you know, the rain, then that's the best thing that you can do. So if you're fertilizing a plant, if you're composting a plant, it's a really good idea to do it just before it rains. You don't have to do that. You can water it in, but I just always like to do things to where there's going to be less work for me and just let Mother Nature do its thing. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about putting compost around a plant. If you guys have any questions, put it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.